Hi, everyone. I just wanted to stop in and let you know that we are finalizing our critiques now, and they are starting to roll in, and I will grade them in the same order as they are turned in. So be patient with me. I try to give deliberate time to each and every critique and to provide some feedback to you. So please be patient with me as I grade. In addition, we are also continuing to build to get to the point of our synthesis assignment that is in module number 7. So we're going to have our discussion board, we're going to in module number 6, and we are going to really use some of those skills that we already have in really discerning a popular health claim. And this is a really interesting one that we can follow the research and actually use the tools that you've gained so far and additional tools that we're building upon as far as really building our skills to look at some of those biases and stuff that we've touched on in our last module. So just kind of keep that in mind. And with that being said, I am going to open up module number 7 a little bit early so that you can take a peek at the Screencast-O-Matic for the final synthesis assignment to start thinking about how you want to start formulating that particular assignment as well. So please let me know if you have absolutely any questions. You all are doing great work. Keep it up, and let me know if I can help you in any way. Take care now.